Hi there, today we're unboxing a power bank. So this particular one has a 20,000 mAh capacity on there. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's take a quick look around the packaging. So it comes nicely packaged with a picture of the actual power bank on there. If I come round here, got some basic details on there. So it has fast charge, an LED display, 20,000 mAh capacity, lithium polymer battery and multiple protection. Some more details there regarding the product and some branding details there. Okay, so let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging, so let me quickly go through them one by one. So initially you get a user manual, so all in English and very straightforward in terms of how to use the product. Okay, next you've got a cable. One end is USB and the other end is micro USB. If I take the actual tie off and expand it out, you've got about 30 centimeters end to end on here. Build quality seems good so far, not cheap and nasty. So connectors wise seem fine, and the actual cable quality seems fine as well. Okay, so the actual power bank itself, build quality, all strong sort of finish on there, strong plastic finish, just a note. And in terms of size, if I bring my ruler in, we're saying approximately about 14 centimeters by 6, and the thickness is around 2 centimeters. So a reasonable size to it. If I put my fingerprints on there, it's prone to fingerprints a little bit. And if we go all the way around, you've got a button here. I won't just press that just yet. And some details there. The in port just to charge it up, and if I come in close you can see that clearly, and if I come around here you've got the two outputs on there. Now the button that was here on the side, if I press that, it tells you the capacity, stays on for a short period and then just turns off, which is good, so it doesn't permanently stay on. I think it's always good to have a power bank with an actual LCD showing the capacity on there, so you know exactly what's on there. Instead of the small lights, a lot of them have small lights going along the side, and I think, to be honest, that is rubbish really. You want something a bit more accurate. So there you go, nothing too complex about it. Build quality things feels good on this and easy to hold in your hand. Okay, next let's charge the device and see if it shows any indication of charging. So I've got a cable here, it doesn't come with a power brick, so I'm using my one from another product. If I plug this in here, and there you go, the display actually flashes to give the indication that it's charging. Okay, so I've taken the power bank, I've plugged in two cables, one's going straight into a mobile, the other one's going into a USB meter, so we can actually see the charge going into a device. The other one's actually plugged into a mobile, and I'll just connect it to the meter so we can see the charge going to it. And we can see, if we give it a moment, 0.38 amps on that side and 7.5 mAh on there. So that's that. And if I swap it over just to show, bring that one across, plug the other one into there, so the meter's now in output 2, just to show, again, very similar on that side as well. It's all good, so it doesn't struggle in any way to charge two devices. And if I pull one of them out, for instance, I'll pull that one out and just leave that one charging, still the same, so no change at all. So it doesn't reduce in any way when it's charging two devices at the same time. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing of this power bank. Very simple product, nothing too complex about it. It's got two output ports and a single input port just to charge it. Biggest feature on this one is really the LCD screen. Nice to have that just to tell you the capacity. In terms of performance, performs well, charging two devices at the same time. No reduction in power when you plug in two. So there you go. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.